for the vision of the project really was to tie back the creek into the whole experience of the park. The park really treated the creek not as an asset, but more of a detriment. Over the years, they'd moved the creek out of the way to make room for some of the assets that were there. This project really drew the creek back into the park system and again refocused the attention towards the creek. Working with the watershed has really been a great experience for Edina Parks. They brought a lot to the table. The community engagement piece, they were extremely helpful on that. The project management piece was very helpful. The outcome would not have been the same without the partnership we formed with the watershed to get this project completed.
You can do good work in natural resources for clean water, for flood protection, for natural resource benefit, and do it in a way that provides all of those benefits while providing beautiful public spaces. Those type of stacked benefits and a multi-partner approach can really bring a lot more resources and give you a lot better project and product in the end.